How to fix error 71 on Rocket League on PlayStation. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can fix if you have been facing the Rocket League error on your PlayStation, which is the error 71. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, this kind of error could generally happen when you're playing Rocket League, or maybe when you're updating Rocket League and then you just got cancelled in between for some reason, and that could be one of the primary reasons why. So in order to fix that, once you're on the home page of your PlayStation and once you are selected on Rocket League, what you have to do is on your controller, just right over here, you have to go ahead and then press the options button. So let me just go ahead and focus it and show you guys. You can see this options button. All you have to do is first of all press this options button, and you'll enable all of these options on your PlayStation screen. And over here, the very first thing we will of course do is to simply select check for update. So I will go ahead and tap on check for update and I will select it, and if it has an update available, you have to simply install the update with the update file. In my case, it is already installed in the latest version, so I generally don't have that issue. Tap on OK, and again you could select options and you could go to update history and simply check when was the last update over here, and you could come back and I will select options again. And in that case, what I would also recommend you do is you could simply add this to a folder. So go ahead and then create a new folder and see if your issue gets fixed. If not, the only final thing I would suggest you to do is, if none of the solutions worked, you have to simply press the options button again and then simply go about deleting the whole game itself. Delete the game, and it is going to ask you for a confirmation. If you have a license for this application, you can download it again from the library. So tap on OK and go ahead and then reinstall the game from your PlayStation Store, just like that, and hopefully this would have fixed your issue. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.